Welcome to Have Fun Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. I'm back with more money and time-saving tips for you here at Silver Dollar City. Now that you have your tickets, you understand the parking and the shuttles, what about renting a mobility scooter to help you get around this hilly park? Don't worry, the park has you covered. Just around the corner from the shuttle drop-off, you'll find the scooter rental booth. These scooters are very comfortable and powerful enough to get you around the park without worry. Brenda and I both have used these at one time or another, and we both had great experiences with them. Currently, the cost to rent a scooter is $54 for the entire day. I'll include a link in the description where you can reserve your scooter. One thing to remember is, the left side of the park has a very steep hill that locals call Cardiac Hill. Wheelchairs and mobility scooters are recommended to take one of the 3 or 4 other paths in that area to get you around so you don't have to go up or down the big hill and be unsafe. If you already have your own mobility scooter, you can save money by using it in Silver Dollar City instead of renting one of theirs. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. Now if you enjoyed this video, I really would appreciate you hitting the like button before you go to let me know. It really helps our channel more than you might think. Silver Dollar City has a smartphone app which includes a map and a lot of things to help you maximize your time here on the park. That's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching and tell your friends.